Dímelo, mi gente, Marco here, and today I'm really excited to be bringing this video. We're going to be talking about the number one app store in the whole world that just unseated ChatGPT, and it's called Dupe, and Dupe on Solana, where AI and shopping collide. So you can see here, I saw this tweet yesterday, and I was like, what is this? Let me, check it out. It's the number one app store. I might as well check it out. It's actually a really great, amazing product. We're going to be going over all of it that it does today. It reminds me of ChatGPT, right? I'll show you how it works in just a little bit, but I would recommend this product. I haven't used it just yet, but I did show it to my girlfriend, and she was like, "Hey, this looks amazing. I'm gonna start using it." And I've seen people use it for a while. It has been out for a couple of years now. I think 4 years. It used to be called Carrot, but now it is Dupe, and it's powered by Solana. So that is super amazing. I'm super excited to see all these new apps being developed on Solana. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is what it looks like. Well, this is the opening page, right? You could paste a link, you could input an image, you could do a search, or you could just regularly chat, and it does like deep search too. So my girlfriend, and it looks like everyone is doing cloud sofas because they have a blog post here. Let me see. A blog post here, and it says we analyzed 13 cloud couches, Dopes. So you don't have to. So it looks like everyone is kind of using these blog posts or these like cloud sofas. So she told me, let's look at cloud sofas. So here are their pics. They usually show like 50, 40, and you can see all 40s. But then they ask like various questions like, hey, you want to narrow it by size, shapes, whatever. And she said, love see cloud sofas. So they narrow it down, and then you could pick what color. So they had like gray, beige, and I forgot what other color. And then it was like you could do like under 400 or any other searches like price and features and whatnot. So that's what it came up with. And then, yeah, you could definitely see here. And these couches look pretty great. There's some from Wayfair, Walmart, some other stores. Let me see, eBay too. So yeah, AliExpress. So it basically finds you everything that they could find, like shopping that they could find for the cheapest price. And we're going to see how much people are saving in a tweet. And I don't know if it's true, but the person said it, so it is actually incredible. They also have clearance picks, so a lot of stuff is going on sale, and they are doing free shipping. Now I don't know when the free shipping is going to end or if it's going to continue. I really don't know, but look at this, from $1,000 all the way down to $246. That's actually incredible. This one from 384 to 154, and this one from 160 to 122. So if you're looking for anything to buy at the house and you're looking for a new mattress or like new beds, definitely check them out. And then you could browse their different furnitures. They don't just have furniture, right? They have electronics and all that other kind of stuff too. So look, they have sofas, chairs, beds, storage. I'm not gonna be going over all of them, but you could definitely see it. You have wall art, planters, TV stands. Really everything. And they also have this Dupe, like this Dupe coin that if you see here, what is Dupe? So Dupe is a reward point system. Each points from various activities and redeem them for reward. So this is kind of where like the crypto slash Solana come into play. They also see how you could cash out, where the rewards logged, yada yada yada. Can you buy points and everything like that. So. And then you can see here the Solana logo. So you see the Solana logo plus Dupe. So yeah, pretty amazing. And they are trying to disrupt Amazon by building the front door for deals on the internet. They have over 20 million users and 100 million GVM. Sorry, I don't know what GVM is, but they're bridging the 5 trillion e-com market to AI. So actually pretty amazing and pretty dope. And I will say they have amazing ads. This ad is really funny. This guy is just walking in, kind of takes a picture. It shows him taking a picture of someone that's like dressed like that and how cheap you can find it. So that's pretty cool. And this looks like he's the founder of one of the people involved with the project. His name is Bobby. He was working at WeWork. He worked at WeWork. He did something at Live, Candid, and other kind of stuff. So yeah, pretty cool. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you. So this person, Jules, she says, I've literally saved over 70,000 on our house renovations using Dupe, tile, outlets, covers, upholstery, furniture listed for different prices on the same site. So Really amazing. Like saving over 70, well, having $70,000 in this economy, kudos to her. Kudos to her. But yeah, it's, saving $70,000 just on renovations, it is, if you could just save $100 in this economy, even $1,000, it's really, really worth it. So, and I just want to say, they have a lot of followers on Instagram, so that is really interesting. I really hadn't heard about them until today, so definitely gonna check them out, and I think you should too. Let me just see if I could show you some of the other products. Let me see. I just do PlayStation. So they have PlayStation here, and then yeah, you can see the matches. I just, I'm a gamer, so I like playing these. So yeah, they have different kind of stuff that you could definitely check out. I don't know if I'm gonna buy the PlayStation One, but yeah, really cool. They have this different selection. So, anyways, enjoy your thoughts. Please let me know what you think about the video. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have used Dupe before and if you knew that it was a crypto product, right? Or if you didn't not know, now you know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please send this to anyone that is doing house renovations, getting a new house, or going to an apartment, whatever it may be. This is a really good tool, and I think everyone can use it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.